Hey guys, it's Claire and welcome back to the first proper video on this channel. So, I made an intro, whenever I posted it, about what this channel is going to be and what I'm thinking, what I'm doing even. So yeah, today I'm going to be speaking about meal prep, because that's important. So ignore the noise in the background. I know it's highly annoying. It is my washing machine. Nothing I can do about that because I didn't know I was going to start filming. But yeah, and ignore, have you seen that? The joys of eczema, people, the joys of eczema. So today I'm going to be meal prepping, as tomorrow I am going on a road trip with my dad for his work. We're going to be dropping something off. And yeah, so I'm going to be going with him to do that, and I'm just going to show you what I'm going to pack for my lunch, as it's a lengthy road trip. So I'm just going to get straight in and not begin. So I'm going to cook a pasta based meal, as it's a meal that's going to fill me up for longer and make sure I don't want to sit there and start snacking or call into a service station and get McDonald's, because we all know I don't want to do that, even though I'd love to. So pastas you can use, there's many different types, but two I like to stick between is normal just pasta and whole wheat pasta. Now I'm going to go through the benefits of both. So with the normal just white pasta, per 100 gram is 354 calories, which is a lot, but if you don't like whole wheat pasta, that is fine. Just make sure it works within your calories. It's okay to go a little bit over, treat yourself to have a nice bit of pasta on your diet. But yeah, so usually I would have this pasta, but for the purposes of wanting to stay fuller for longer, I'm going to go with the whole wheat pasta, as it has more fibre in it, and per 100 grams is only 147 calories. So that's just a bonus really. And I eyeball it because at the minute I need to get a scale, because having a scale to weigh out food would be so much better. And to go with my pasta, I am going to be having some mixed vegetables because they're healthy, they're good for you, and per 8 gram is only 47 calories. So that obviously leads to, you can actually take a couple of snacks with you, because 147 calories for the pasta and 40, did I say 47? Yeah, 47 calories for the veg, which only leads to a 200 calorie meal, which is great because the pasta with the fibre will fill you up for longer and the veg is just good for you. I will take a litre of water because you're supposed to drink 2 litres of water a day, and if you're drinking 2 litres of water a day, it will help you lose weight, as your body stores water in case you don't drink enough throughout the day. But if you start drinking 2 litres of water a day, your body will get rid of the excess water, meaning you lose weight, which is a bonus. So I'm going to cook this pasta and then go through with your different options and what I'll be taking with me for snacks, because we all know I need snacks. So some other ideas for lunch, like if I was going out and I wanted something hot, I'd take like a portable hot mug. Do you know what I'm on about? Then those little soup mugs that keep your soup warm for ages. And I actually found in B&M for £4 for a pound, what a bargain. Well, my dad found them, so shout out to Raymond. Cup soups that are only 38 calories, which if you're in a calorie deficit, this sounds amazing. And to say they're only 38 calories, they do taste very good. So, and even if you wanted, you could even have 2, because why not? And if you're a cheese lover, found these in Aldi today. 83 calories for one cheese, and it's just a block of mature cheddar. Now, I love cheese, so I'll definitely be taking one of these with me tomorrow, because I'm obsessed with cheese, like love cheese. And yeah, so for 83 calories for a small cheese stick, that will actually it'll fill you up, because cheese is cheese, everybody loves cheese, I'm hoping anyway. Another snack I'll be taking with me, which this is 126 calories, is a fruit and grain bar, strawberry flavour. Now these are my all-time favourite. I love them because one, only 126 calories for a snack, which is not bad, and it's got a lot of fibre in it, so it keeps you fuller for longer. Now, you're going to hear me say that a lot because I'm trying to address the point that to be on a calorie deficit and stay full, you need to be eating foods with a lot of fibre in it. Yes, it will make you go to the toilet a lot, but that's what it takes to be a skinny legend. Now, I'm going to move on to another one of my favourite lunches, which I can't actually, like, you could, but probably not. But this isn't really one for taking out with you because it would probably go brown and off. But I love banana and spinach smoothies. Yes, it sounds absolutely disgusting and looks disgusting, but actually surprised me and it tastes really good. So I just get baby spinach from either Aldi or Tesco. And from Tesco it's £1 and 3p, and from Aldi I think it's about 89p. So it just varies from where you go. And literally, because you're not going to use 100 grams of spinach in one smoothie, you only use about 10 grams. So it literally is about 4 calories. And then I use baby bananas from Tesco's, which are 121 calories. And then there's obviously the milk, which I use 180 millilitres, which averages about 121 calories. Also, correct me if I'm wrong. But you could use water, but I'm going to tell you now it splits and it's disgusting. So, yeah. And another side note, when obviously you're making pasta, you can salt your water or use a stock cube, but the stock cube will be extra calories and the salt just stores weight in your body. So I have started cooking my pasta and other foods that need boiling just without anything, and then when it's done I might add a bit of seasoning like garlic. You know what I mean? You don't need salt on everything, which I used to be really bad for salt. I used to stack my plate with salt, and when I tell you my plate was white, and my family would be like, well, you can die of an heart attack, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, no, I like salt. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful. I know I find it helpful. So yeah, without further ado, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.